All right, I'm here at the Hampton Inn and Suites in Rogers, Arkansas, and I wanted to give you all a room tour here. We'll start out with the bathroom. There's the fan. There's extra light here over the sink. Check out the toilet. So if we got any epic flushing action. Standard. Better lighting. It's better lighting. Let's check out the shower. Good water pressure there. Got some towels and stuff there. Now let's go see the rest of the room. Nice clean king size bed. Got a little clock over here. Little thing for storing your clothes, I guess, there. It's kind of cool. We got some USB chargers here and a couple plugs. LG flat screen TV. Got a microwave and a little mini fridge here. We've got a couple of bottles of water, I guess. Ozark. Natural spring water. That's the good stuff. Extra drawers for storage. I took a look at this office chair, and this actually looks like a really nice chair. I'm gonna try it out here. Yeah, it feels pretty good. A little place to work, set up your computer. More plugs, more USB outlets. Got the HVAC unit, it's a train. I guess maybe it's got a wall control. And over here is a place to hang up some of your clothes. So we got this little light over here, which is kind of cool. It's a motion light. You can see the little motion sensor there. Got a plug down there as well. Over here you got your standard hotel phone. Got a little chair. All right, let's try out the bed. Oh, feels pretty comfy. Got some little hangers here to hang up your jackets and stuff. And it looks like we got the USB charger plugs on the nightstand places as well, which is pretty nice. Nice bright lamp as well there. All right, let's see if we can find there's the HVAC controls. Let's turn the fan always on. I don't know if it'll let me do that, but you can see that it is now running. You can probably hear it. Let's check the filters. That one looks good and clean. That one looks good and clean as well. One thing I didn't check, but I should check the bed and make sure it looks pretty clean. Looks pretty clean to me. Got 5 pillows here, so there should be plenty of pillows. Now, one thing to note is that Priceline said that there'd be a couch, like a pull-out couch bed in here, and they told me at the front desk that I guess they quit doing the king rooms with couch beds, and now they just have a chair, which is kind of a disappointment because I've got a couple kids and one was going to sleep on that tonight, but we'll figure something else out. And that's going to wrap it up. See ya.